What's up, guys? Craig here, Lake County Euros. This is going to be the beginning of a new project that we're building. So behind me, you guys see Justin and Claudio tearing down the engine. This engine came out of a 2003 Porsche 911. The reason it's here is because this car was pushed a little bit too hard at the dyno. And granted, it did show over 600 horsepower, but right as it was showing that number, it just started knocking. So stay tuned and stick with us as we tear this motor down, show what failed, why it failed, and how we're gonna make it better. Now we're gonna have to take the other side apart. It doesn't spin like it's not gonna out. It shouldn't. Oh shit! It shouldn't do that. Yeah, that shouldn't happen. So you see how it's like have a bigger lip on this side and not this side? This is really bad. This is like super overheating. Let's call the customer.
Go big or go home.
And Craig, get ready for the phone call.